Hello YouTube, Promal Reaction. Welcome to my channel at may panibago na naman tayo ngayong video mga idol. Ito po ay tungkol po ito sa Yamashita Treasure kung saan nakuha po ito ng mga Amerikano dito ito sa ating bansa sa Pilipinas. Ayan, huwag natin ito patagalin. Siyempre, tirahin na natin ito bago pa tirahin ng iba. Let's play.
We've just finished bringing up this marker stone to the surface. This one here is one of the ones that has been
ito yung mga
painted and also chiseled to give you some directions on where to go.
So di pa nakapag-subscribe mga idol, lalo na ikaw ay mahilig sa trade ganitong video sa treasure, ikaw ay ka-TH, mag-subscribe ka na at palike na rin ang ating video.
This one here is one of the very significant ones that we have found. You can see that this one has been painted. It's in two sections.
Ito yung bato na to mga idol. Dito po ang sign po dito ay Buddha.
The first section is here, which gives you the heart symbol. The second section over here is the face, which gives you the golden Buddha face.
Okay. Mukha ng golden Buddha. Signs below 120 feet. Okay. Napakalalim nito mga idol. Yun ang mga yun. Sign ng Buddha face. Kaya ngayon mga idol dito ay makakuha din tayo dito mga idol ng mga kaalaman sa mga tungkol sa sign na sa mga bato. Ayan wala dito gold bars location. Ano pala yun? Location ng gold bar. Deposit of the spot. Kaya sa mga nagte-treasure dyan, maganda talaga pag kompleto kayo sa gamit at siyempre may laking budget din yun. Pinunuhan din nila ito ng napakarami na nila.
Deposit area. Water is coming in from several tunnels that lead out to the
water
river.
drops. Ito nga sinasabi. Kasi may sa treasure, lalo na sa mga ikaw ay nasa tunnel, di talaga maiwasan na may water trap, tapos yung mga poisons o kaya bombs.
This water trap, you can control it with large boulders. The excavation is done by removing the cement and rocks, one basket at a time. Red stones are leading us closer to the deposit. The clay striations act as boundaries marking the room size and dimensions. It is the same clay marker that we have seen throughout the tunnel complex.
Tubig pala sa ilalim. Okay. Tawag dito sa equipment dito.
We have overcome many obstacles over the past 5 years to get this far. It has brought us the knowledge and experience both on the project and in the community to put us in a position.
Jackpot sila dito mga idol kasi talaga may nakuha talaga sila dito na totoong ginto dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya totoo talaga siyempre ang Yamashita Treasure.
To be successful and make the recovery.
Kaya nga lang mga high-tech yung gamit nila.
The water level is maintained by keeping the pumps operating 24 hours a day.
Kailangan din siyempre, di ba yung mga idol na mayroon talagang tagahigop ng tubig para hindi ganong kasi panay yung tubig bagsak para hindi mag-ipon. Yun lakas pati ng buhos ng tubig. Ito ba rin marker stone?
Some 59
okay, may nakuha na namang marker sa bato.
Years ago, after the American Army chased the last Japanese defenders from their many island strongholds. Does the truth of what the Japanese did during World War II begin to come to light? They had systematically looted hundreds of billions of dollars worth of valuables from their occupied countries and shipped it to the Philippines, where they have buried in elaborate.
Tapusin nito yung video na to mga idol, dito sa pinakahuli nito ay makikita natin yung nakuha nilang gold bars.
Tunnel systems. They have managed to keep it a secret all these years while they have systematically recovered hundreds of billions of dollars worth of it.
Ito yung sinasabi ko mga idol, ito yung nakuha nila na talagang hindi man gaano karamihan pero totoo. Totoo siya.
The reality is that many hundreds of billions of it still
75 kilograms gold bars
remains to be recovered by the knowledgeable and the brave of
from similar recovery project.
Heart.
Iyahay nito yung ano. Yan. Hanggang dito lang tayo mga idol. At syempre, kung lalo na ikaw, pag hilig ka sa kung treasure hunter ka, mag-subscribe ka na at like na rin ang ating video. At para updated kayo sa aking i-upload na mga tungkol sa Yamashita Treasure sa susunod kong video. Maraming salamat.